Now, to handle games without an image, we'll use a default placeholder. So right below this video, you can find a placeholder image. Grab that and add it to the assets folder. Okay, now let's go to image url.ts. Now, because this is a static asset that we're going to deploy with our application, here we cannot type a path like go up to the assets folder and so on. We have to import this image like a module on the top. So import no image from, we go up to the assets folder and grab no image placeholder.webp. Now, instead of returning a string, we return no image. Let's test our application. So back in the browser, let's sort by name. There you go. Beautiful. So let's make another commit. And here we say handle games with no image.